what is happening. I'm really confused. I hired a cook.
Wait, you hired a cook?
Yes, ma'am.
And you say this man is your husband, Abby?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you? Why are you hiring a cook when you are complete? You can cook. Or you can't cook?
I can cook, ma, but the nature of my job does not permit me like that.
It is smoky.
So,
what is your job again?
I am a banker, ma.
A banker.
Is it taking the eye?
What a disgrace.
See, what a disgrace.
Ma, don't answer him. Don't answer. Just don't mind him. And now the issue is that I'm telling my husband here that I don't want the cook again. Let the cook go.
Very good.
Is it by for? Okay,
yes,
now
you can be cooking.
Exactly. Thank you, ma. I want to now take over my home. I don't want the cook anymore. Let the cook go. He's busy telling me that I cannot allow that cook go.
What happened?
Explain yourself. That is why I brought him. So he explained to you why he does not want to allow a common cook, to go.
She says she wants to be cooking for you now.
Thank you.
That the cook should go. Very good.
See, the point here is not about just the cook. Okay. See, I married somebody who doesn't even understand the left and the right. Do you understand? The only thing my wife does is wake up in the morning at 4, go to work, and then come back in the evening. So who does the domestic work?
I am working.
Don't
tell me to keep short. Don't tell me to keep short. So, I'm a working class woman.
You leave the house by 4.
I have to make the money. I have to make that money. And the cook in question, I pay the cook, not him.
Will you keep short and
don't tell me to keep short. Don't tell me to keep short. Like I was saying
before, I was really rudely interrupted. Do you
70 years old man.
Now you claim that you pay the cook, the gardener, the domestic workers. All well and good. That does not make me okay. Do you understand, mommy? How can you marry to a woman? You're married to a woman who does not even satisfy you. She does not cook. She does not even do anything in the house. I mean, you expect the workers to do everything.
That is why I hired them now. What are workers for?
So why do you want the same people you hired to go?
Yes, because I now want to take charge.
Oh, the marriage is not important to you. And let me just make it very clear to you. If you're asking or if you're wanting this cook to leave, then you have gone bonkers. You have gone totally.
Are you trying to cook over me?
If there's anybody who has to leave, it has to be you. Yes.
Did you hear that?
I was not drunk when I said it. It has to be you. Which wife?
Leave my own house.
Which house?
Leave my own house.
Which house?
For a common cook.
A common cook that takes care of me.
You need to rethink that.
Hey, but you too.
Hey,
my sister. You too. You have turned yourself to a workaholic that you can't even remember that you have to take care of. Now you are allowing other people to do your job.
Okay, to go ahead and make the money. Go ahead and make the money and
but now I'm not stepping down.
So how are you going to?
I am stepping short.
And you expect me to ask you that question?
Short. Can you see the way he's behaving? Can you see the way he's behaving? She's a common cook.
And if this is the reason why you have brought me here, I'm saying it very clear.
Ross, sit down. You have to sit down. You're not going to sit where?
My cook is going nowhere.
Your cook is going nowhere. Your cook is leaving.
You can keep your job if you want to work.
Your cook is leaving. Your cook is leaving.
It is too late.
I don't care. I don't care. Whether you guys are having an affair or not.
I don't want the marriage
I should leave the house. Do you want me to leave the house? You want me to leave the house?
Were you there before?
You want me to leave the house?
Go and take care of your problem.
I get back to the house. Get that cook out of my house.
Yes, I support her.
Can you imagine this?
You too, even you too.
Mommy,
you left your husband and you were employing everybody, different women in your house. You don't know that your own should be your own priority. You were employing everybody in your house. This is terrible now. Now you see your husband has gone deep. How are we going to bring him out from that well now?
Exactly.
You know some of these people even they use jazz on men. That is why I advise ladies to always be in position of your home. Don't allow. Now you made your job very a top priority than your marriage. How are you going to sort this one out now? Hey, ladies, women, please, always make sure that you take care of your own first. Look for, even if you are working, look for a job that you will be able to rotate it, be able to prepare for your own life. What about if you start having children? How are you going to cope? You will leave your children by 4 a.m.? This is terrible.
Go ahead and make the money. Go ahead and make the money and
but now I'm not stepping down.
So how are you going
I am stepping down because I want that cook to go.
You are asking for the impossible. That cook is going nowhere. I've gone deep, very deep, mommy. Very no, I can't because this person gives me everything. I mean, she cooks me good food. I mean, I'm not supposed to let that kind of person go. So
I suspected, but now it's now obvious that this
you
man
made your job
is having an affair
put
with
your job on the priority
Are you
list.
having an affair?
Will you keep short?
Don't tell me to keep short.
And you expect me to answer that question?
Sure. Can you see the way he's behaving? Can you see the way he's behaving? She's a common cook.
If this is the reason why you brought me here, I'm saying it very clear.
Bro, sit down. You have to sit down. You are not going to sit where?
My cook is going nowhere.
Your cook is going nowhere. Your cook is
You
leaving.
can keep your job if you want to work.
Your cook is leaving. At